Start by opening FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive. If it's already active, you'll find the icon in the top bar. Otherwise, open the App Store app and launch it from there. Click on Plus Add Server to begin creating a new connection. Choose the connection type from the drop-down menu. Select Box. You can name the connection for easy reference. Click Add and Connect to set up and establish the connection. Now click the button Grant Access to Box. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button to copy your Box authorization code. And paste the code into the authorization dialog window. Check the certificate details. The issuer should be Box. Select Always trust this certificate in future sessions to avoid repeated prompts. If it is the first time you connect to the server, Finder will ask you to enable the connection. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive, your all-in-one file transfer solution. Get it now on the Apple App Store.